So I'm at work this morning. I usually work evenings, but I just want to show you a little bit of what I do. This next truck I got to do is pretty simple. I just got to jack it up. I already got a tire mounted on a wheel. I got to replace that tire right there. I already got one mounted up. So all I have to do is jack it up, take that one off, and put the other one on. Real simple, not real hard, but I mean it's time consuming when you have 150 trucks that you're in charge of the tires on. It gets tough mentally for sure. I think last count I've had 153 trucks, and it's just me that does the tires. I used to have a helper, but he went a different route. So it's just me, which is fine with me because I get paid commission too, and the more I do, the more money I make. I get an hourly rate plus a commission. So anyway, I'm blabbering now, so I'm gonna get off of here and I'll be right back. I'm gonna get all my hoses and everything rolled out, and then set you up and just let you watch me switch this tire out. Have a little adapter put on my impact to take these off, but I used it at the house and forgot to put it back in the truck. So it's going to probably be pretty loud. There's nothing I can do about it. It's the pressure on the truck. It'll rev up. Every time it gets low on air, the truck will rev up. Rev up. nuts is messed up. I don't have any on the truck. I'm gonna have to run down to the other shop, get another lug nut, but I'll get it zipped down. You're not gonna have to see that. I mean, it's just one lug nut. You'll see the rest of them. So I'll get these zipped down, get everything else taken care of, and then I'll go back and get another lug nut and bring it back down. So I went and got another lug nut, got it put on there, but I forgot to hit record on here. But it doesn't matter. It's just it was one lug nut. You saw me do the rest of them. So all I gotta do now is just drop it and torque it to specs, which I torque them to 500 foot-pounds. That could be torqued between 475, or I'm sorry, 450 to 550. I just split it in the middle and do 500. So I'm gonna get this compressor set on. Anyway, guys, I got done with that truck, got it all torqued up and everything. The video, some reason, just stopped on its own. I have no idea why, and I didn't know it. I wasn't aware of it. So you guys didn't get to see me torque it, but I did torque it, just so you know. In case if there's any perfectionists out there. No, I'm kidding. It's very important to make sure you torque the specs, because one of them tires comes off, it could kill somebody. But anyway, so I torqued it and everything. I'm sorry you didn't get to see it. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a big torque wrench, and none of it's really that big of a deal. I just thought I'd share a little bit with you. My job's usually a lot more harder than that, but being that it was an easy one, I went ahead and recorded it. That way I didn't have to worry about dealing with the camera and trying to do a hard job at the same time. I just kind of chose to use that one to give you a little bit of an idea of what I do. So, not that you care, I don't know, I like making videos. So I don't want to be one of those guys, but if you would like and share and subscribe, that'd help me out a lot, because I want to start making racing go-kart videos. You know, the serious stuff down at Dirt Oval. So just subscribe, because that is definitely coming soon. I'm going to start by taking you guys with me to go purchase the cart all the way to racing it. So there's going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, talk to you later.